Respected ma'am and all your friends, a very warm good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
I am Garima from 8th standard from Tagore International School, Akbarpur of Kana. Today, we all gather here to discuss about criminal justice system. Do you know what is criminal justice system? If not, let me tell you about it. Criminal justice system refers to the agencies of government enforcing, adjudicating crimes, correcting criminal conduct. Hope you all understand about criminal justice system. Now, Shagun will come and tell you more about criminal justice system through a story.
Let me introduce you all about criminal justice system through a story. Mr. Nath is a rich man. He lives alone. He is 72 years old and has a helper named Ramu. Ramu lives in the servant's quarter. One day when Mr. Nath returned from his sister's home, he saw that there had been a burglary at his place. His belongings were scattered and all the cupboards lay open. All the cash and some valuable things were also missing from their place. Ramu, Ramu, where are you? Mr. Nath shouted in panic, but there was no reply. Ramu was now here to be seen. Mr. Nath did not waste any time and decided to go to the police. He had already kept the photo identification card of Ramu in his office. He handed over and go to the police. He lodged an FIR. Now, what is FIR? The full form of FIR is First Information Report. It is the first written report of a crime and it is reported by the police officer on duty and it is reported immediately after the arrest or discovery of a crime. It is very important because only after registering it, the police can begin its investigation. The information that the FIR includes is date, time and place of offense, detailed record of the incident, name and identity of the accused and witnesses if any, name and address of the informer.
I hope that you all heard the story. Now I'll share with you that what will happen next. Now the police hurried to the Ramu's address to inquire his whereabouts. In the meantime, Sub-Inspector Yadav recorded the details that Ramu shared with that Mr. Nath shared with them of the theft and how Ramu went missing on the same day. Now the police went to his locality and searched that did Ramu come here? Then one man replied, "Yes, Sahib, I saw Ramu today. We all know him. He is with his mother." Then that man showed his home to the police. Now, police arrested to the Ramu and take him to the police station and put in a lockup. Now, what will happen next? Now, his mother comes to the police station and begs the police officer that please release her son. Then the police guides her to go to the court to get a bail order. Now, the court grants him a bail a month later. But there was no one to stand for surety for 20,000 rupees. So he has to continue to languish in jail. He keeps mum and does not own up the charges.
I will tell you more about the role of police in controlling crimes. The police has a dual role to play. It is responsible for preventing as well as investigating crime. Police patrol van can be seen throughout the day, even at night. Based on the findings and investigation, the police decides the course of action. For crimes like murder, robbery, etc., known as cognizable offences, the police can take a suspect into custody without prior authorization of the court. On the other hand, for non-cognizable offences like public nuisance, assault, mischief, etc., the police have to take a suspect into custody with the permission of court. After
After 20 days, the investigating officer prepared a written report based on his finding known as charge sheet and files for the trial in the district court. A copy of charge sheet is given to Ramu. Ramu can't afford lawyer for his defense and pled for one. So, judge appoints advocate Ashok Kumar as Ramu's defense lawyer to fight his case. Trial began after 2 months. Mr. Nath gave his statement against Ramu, who vanished on the day of the theft. He also describes how valuables and money went missing from every nook and corner. Which shows that someone who is familiar to the house is involved in the anti-crime. Ramu is interrogated by Ashok, advocate Krishan Iyer, who is leading public prosecutor. Soon Ramu breaks down. He also accepts that he was involved in the entry theft and gives detail of jeweler to whom he sold the valuables. His bank account was sealed and the entry amount was recovered. Judge closed the case after sentencing 5 years of imprisonment to him.
So let me introduce you about the key components of the criminal justice system. So they are the police, the public prosecutor, the defense lawyer and the judge.
Police typically are responsible for maintaining public order and safety, enforcing the laws and preventing, detecting and investigating criminal activities. These functions are known as policing. Police are often also entrusted with various licensing and regulatory activities.
Now I will tell you about the role of public prosecutor in the criminal justice system. In criminal justice system, public prosecutor plays the most important role in dispensing justice. However, he has no role to play in investigation. He or she cross-examines all the witnesses, evidences and questions so that court can decide about the case. Their role begins after the police have started the investigation and filed the charge sheet in the court. The prosecutor must conduct the prosecution on the behalf of the state. They represent the interest of the state.
Defense lawyer. The defense lawyer too has an important role in ensuring a fair trial. The defense lawyer's importance can be understood from the fact that as per Article 22 of the Indian Constitution, every citizen has the right to be defended by a lawyer. The best part is that if the accused is poor and cannot afford the lawyer, then the court must assign one. Article 39A of the Constitution asserts that it is the duty of the state to assign a lawyer to all accused who are poor and who cannot afford a lawyer for their defense. The defense lawyer ensures that all accused gets a fair trial. For this, he/she thoroughly examines all the witnesses and facts presented by the public prosecutor.
Judges play the most crucial role in the whole justice system. They need to be unbiased. The judges decide whether the accused is culpable or innocent. But after conducting a whole study of the case and minutely examining all evidences, if the person is found to be guilty, then it's depending on the severity of the crime. The judges pronounces a sentence which could be a fine, prison term or both.
Hope you all understand about the criminal justice system. If yes, may I ask you some questions?
Yes.
What are the key components of criminal justice system? Yes.
The police, the public prosecutor, the defense lawyer and the judge.
Yes, the police, the public prosecutor, the defense lawyer and the judge. Who was the rich man? Yes, Mr. Nath was a rich man and he was alone 72 years